Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Simplify the following. And we've been given the expression 4x squared, all raised to the power of 3, divided by 2x squared. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. The rules of indices, also called the rules of exponents, are a set of rules that govern how to simplify expressions involving powers, or exponents. The key rules are the multiplication rule, division rule, product rule, or power of a power rule. And beyond these, there are important facts of exponents that we also need to remember. So, the expression we are simplifying is 4x squared, all raised to the power of 3, divided by 2x squared. We can rewrite the numerator as 4 cubed multiplied by x squared raised to the power of 3. 4 cubed is 64. And using the power rule, x squared raised to the power of 3 is equal to x to the power of 6. So the numerator can be rewritten as 64 multiplied by x to the power of 6. And the denominator is still 2x squared. Next, we need to simplify this. The highest common factor of 2 and 64 is 2. 64 divided by 2 is 32. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. And using the division rule, x raised to the power of 6 divided by x squared is x raised to the power of 4. So the simplified expression and the answer to this question is 32 multiplied by x raised to the power of 4. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.